Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel, and for our today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay si etravel and kung paano tayo magre-register with the step-by-step tutorial, as well as update ko kayo dun sa bagong rules ng etravel natin. So meron silang bagong update regards to that, and sasabihin or i-explain ko yan sa inyo kung ano yung mga bago dyan. Anyway, ano nga ba si etravel? So etravel guys, kailangan natin yan every time na lumalabas tayo ng bansa, or it is a digital single data collection platform for passengers arriving in and departing from the Philippines, which shall be utilized for border control, health surveillance, and economic data analysis. And meron tayo guys na isang website kung saan tayo magre-register, which is etravel.gov.ph. So that's the only official website of etravel. So kung iba yung link guys na nabuksan ninyo, hindi yan yung totoong website nila. Meron din kumakalat ngayon ng mga link kung saan kailangan daw natin magbayad sa etravel. So wala tayong babayaran guys sa etravel. So kapag sinabi nila na kailangan mo magbayad ng ganito, ibig sabihin fake yung link na yan. So huwag kayong magre-register doon. So meron lang silang etravel.gov.ph. Doon lang kayo magre-register guys. And wala na kayong babayaran doon. So, or you can also register on eGov.ph app. So, meron silang application. Pwede kayo mag-register doon. So, itatackle din natin yan next time sa next video natin kung paano. Pero mas convenient kasi talagang mag-register dun sa website ng etravel. So, if ever man na gusto nyong doon sa mismong application na lang nila, ayan, as you can see here, you can get it on Google Play kung Android phone kayo, or sa App Store naman kung may iPhone kayo. Anyway, let's start with that. Sino nga ba yung required to register or update in the etravel? So, the following shall be required to register update in the etravel system except foreign diplomats and their dependents, foreign dignitaries, and members of their delegation, visa holders, and etc. So, yung mga kailangan lang naman dito guys na mag-register is yung mga arriving Filipino and foreign crew members, arriving Filipino and foreign passengers, and departing Filipino passengers. So, yun nga, hindi natin kailangan na magbayad sa pagre-register dito, and you can just download their application or go on this website to register. And down naman guys, sa pagre-register naman, make sure na at least 3 days before your flight, naka-register na kayo. So, kailangan kasi natin yan para makapasok tayo sa Pilipinas or makaalis tayo. But anyway, start na muna tayo dun sa step-by-step tutorial natin on how to sign in. So, first, kailangan mo lang pindutin itong click here to sign in. And ayan, so dito na kayo mapupunta. So if you have registered before na, you can just log in here. Ayan, lagay mo lang email address na ginamit natin to register or yung password natin. If ever man na nakalimutan natin yung password, just have to click the forgot password. So make sure guys na yung email address na i-register natin dito is active kasi kailangan natin yan if ever man na magsisend sila ng QR code sa atin, or at the same time if nakalimutan natin yung password, so pwede natin siyang i-access doon. Dito na muna tayo sa create an account. So to create an account, para dire-diretso na tayo, just have to tap that, create an account, and then click continue. You have to enter a one-time password na sinend nila doon sa email address na ating ni-register. By the way guys, kindly wait for at least 3 minutes daw for the 6-digit code kung hindi siya agad dumating, because sometimes there may be delays in receiving it. So you have to create your password. So huwag niyong kakalimutan yan guys, para hindi na natin kailangan mag-create ng bagong account every time na mag-aano tayo dito, gagawa tayo ng etravel or magde-declare tayo na aalis tayo ng bansa. And then you just have to confirm it here and then click the continue button again. After that guys, dito na kayo mapupunta kung saan kailangan nating i-fill up yung mga personal information natin. So first, you have to take a selfie or upload an image. Ayan, as you can see here. Ayan. So kailangan natin mag-selfie. Kahit anong selfie, okay lang naman yan. And after that guys, pipili lang tayo kung Philippine passport holder ba tayo or foreign passport holder. So check nyo lang yung passport nyo kung ano nakalagay dyan. So since tayo, Philippine passport holder tayo, yun ang ating pipiliin. And then after that, you have to enter your name, middle name, optional. So, hindi nyo naman kailangan lagyan yan. And then, last name. So, first name and last name ang importante dito. And then, your gender. And then, yung inyong birthday. And also, your phone number. Ayan, dito tayo. Ayan, phone number. So, kailangan lang natin i-enter yan. You can check or if meron tayong phone number sa ibang bansa. Ayan, you can choose naman. Change it here. Ayan, pwede mong palitan dito. And then after that, citizenship, country of birth, passport number. Siyempre, kailangan natin ilagay. And then occupation. And then next naman, dito naman tayo sa onboarding, permanent country of residence. So, as you can see here, you have to input your country, your address, and then, ayan, lagay lang natin dyan lahat yan. And then, after that, you just have to click the next button. Double check mo muna yung mga information nyo bago mo siya i-submit. And ayan na nga guys, so nakapag ano na tayo dito ng account natin. So you may only register within 72 hours prior to your arrival or departure in the Philippines. And travelers are enjoined to present their e-travel QR code to flight boarding. So usually guys, kapag for example, papunta na tayo or aalis na tayo ng Pilipinas, automatic nang makukuha ng or maa-access yan ng immigration. So, hindi na natin kailangang i-show. So, yun yung mga isa sa mga update ngayon kung saan hindi na nila ilalagay or lalagyan ng sticker yung passport natin or hindi na rin nila kailangan or hindi mo na kailangang i-present yung QR code dito na makukuha natin. So, every time na nagre-register tayo, makaka-receive tayo ng QR code and makaka-receive din tayo sa email natin na usually pinapresent natin sa kanila, scan nila. So, hindi na kailangan yon. Pag aalis ka na ng bansa, automatic nang ma-receive yon ng immigration. Now guys, dito naman tayo sa travel registration. So, kung magre-register tayo sa eTravel para sa atin, click mo lang yung for me or current user. Or kung magre-register tayo for our family member, so you can click this one. So, dito na muna tayo. And then after that, click the air button. Or kung anong gagamitin natin, via air ba tayo aalis or via sea. And then, if aalis tayo ng Pilipinas guys, you have to click the leaving the Philippines. Ayan, just have to tap that. And then, click continue button. So, that's departure. Ibig sabihin na alis tayo ng Pilipinas. And then, ayan. So, kailangan natin ilagay yung mga informations natin for our travel. So, this is new travel declaration. And you have to input your occupation, if you're an overseas Filipino worker, purpose of your travel, and then traveler type. Ayan, like this one. So, are you an aircraft passenger or a flight crew? So, kung nagtatrabaho ka sa airport, ayan, yun yung itatype mo or yung ilalagay mo. Or if passenger ka lang, ayan, ilagay mo yung aircraft passenger. And then, yung destination mo, kung saan tayo pupunta, and then yung address. After that, kailangan din natin ilagay yung departure date natin. Like, ayan. So, yung month, date, and year kung kailan tayo aalis. Name of airline natin. Flight number. And airport departure. Ayan, kung saan tayong airport aalis. And then, yung seat bed number natin, which is optional. And then, after that, you just have to click the next button. Next naman, dito tayo sa, ayan, fill up your health declaration information. So, let's get started. By the way, guys, ngayon, hindi na natin kailangan magpa-vaccinate bago tayo makaalis. So, kahit na hindi ka vaccinated, guys, you can travel outside the Philippines. Now, countries work. So, kailangan lang natin ilagay dito if nag-visit tayo. But this is optional. And then, you just have to answer no and no here. So, and then, after that, guys, you just have to click the submit button. Ayan na nga guys, nakapag-register na tayo sa ating e-travel. So, kindly present your passport to the immigration officer for e-travel registration confirmation and border clearance. So, hindi na natin kailangang i-present actually itong QR code na to. But, ayan lang, for ano lang, minsan kasi hinihinga nila, pero usually pag pauwi na lang. Kasi automatic naman na nasa immigration officer na yan. Ito naman guys, sabi dito, as prescribed by the Customs Memorandum Order, arriving travelers and crew shall accomplish the Customs Baggage Declaration Form And arriving or departing travelers shall accomplish the currency's declaration form if bringing into or out of the Philippines foreign currency in excess of 10,000 US dollars. So, guys, kung magdadala kayo ng $10,000 sa labas ng Pilipinas or kapag mag-aano tayo, kailangan natin i-declare yan, guys. So, it's equivalent in other foreign currency and or more than 50,000 in Philippine currency. So, subject to prior written authorization from the Bangko Sentral of Pilipinas, whoever allows a cross-border. So, kailangan, guys, i-declare natin if meron tayong ganito kalaking pera na dadalhin. So, kailangan yan, guys. Kasi kapag hindi mo din-declare na meron kang ganyan nakita nila, so pwede tayong magbayad or something na ganon. Anyway, so if you want to declare, you can click here, Customs Online Declaration. You just have to click here. So, sabi dito, non-declaration or false declaration shall be subject to sanctions such as confiscation of the currency. So, pwede nilang kunin yan sa inyo, guys, kung di mo i-declare yan. And possible criminal prosecution pursuant to Republic Act number 10863 or the Customs Modernization and Tariff Act in relation to BSP's regulations on physical cross-border transfer of the currencies and other monetary instruments. If you want to declare the currency, guys, you just have to click the yes. And then, sundin nyo lang yung mga informations doon or yung mga kailangan yung Philipan. And then, ayun. Ano naman, guys, if pabalik na kayo ng Pilipinas, kailangan ulit natin mag-declare na pabalik na tayo ng Pilipinas. So, to do that, guys, you don't need to register again. So, you just have to click here to sign in. And ayun nga, kailangan lang natin, guys, mag-log in. To declare a new travel, you just have to click the travel declaration. And as you can see here, babalik ulit tayo dito. Same, ano lang yan, same process lang ng ginawa natin. Kailangan lang natin ilagay ito. Click mo yung for me, air, kung via air tayo, and then arrival, entering the Philippines. And then click mo na lang yung continue. After that, you just have to fill up all the informations again dito. And there you go, guys. Makakapag-create na kayo, makakapag-declare na naman kayo ng new travel niyo na pabalik na kayo ng Pilipinas. And then, pagdating nyo, guys, usually, kailangan lang natin i-scan. So, make sure na meron tayong screenshot. Guys, hindi na natin kailangan ipaprint yan. Kailangan lang natin screenshot yan dun sa ating phone. And then, once na palabas na kayo or nakarating na kayo ng Philippines, scan lang natin yan. Mabilis lang yan, guys. Seconds lang. And, ayun na. Okay na. So, importante na meron tayong e-travel, guys, kasi hindi tayo makakaalis at makakapasok ng Pilipinas kung wala tayo nito. So, make sure, guys, na yung ating pupuntahan na website ay etravel.gov.ph lang at wala kayong kailangang bayaran dito. Pag hiningan kayo ng bayad, ibig sabihin, that's a fake link or fake website. And make sure 3 days before flight tayo magre-register or gagawa ng account or magde-declare. And, ayun nga. By the way, guys, yung update nga nila, wala na tayong kailangang, hindi na natin kailangang i-show yung e-travel natin. So, you just have to register and then automatic na papasok na yan sa system ng immigration. Once na binigay natin yung passport natin, lalabas na siya agad. So, hindi pwedeng hindi kayo magre-register, guys, kasi once na chinek nila yung passport ninyo and walang registered na e-travel, hindi tayo makakaalis ng bansa. And then, after dun nga, once na pabalik na kayo ng Pilipinas, so, usually, nung last time kasi na umuwi na ako dito sa Philippines, hiningan pa rin yung screenshot nung ating e-travel. But, niscan lang nila yung e-travel na QR code natin and okay na siya agad. So, dati kasi may nilalagay pa sila or pinapresent pa natin yan dun sa mismong immigration or maglalagay sila ng parang sticker. So, hindi na, wala na siyang ganun. So, ayun lang nga, guys. Ganun lang naman gawin or i-register yung ating e-travel. Napakadali lang. Kailangan lang talaga natin fill up ang lahat ng mga informations. And for your next travel, guys, all you have to do is log in again and then mag-declare lang ulit tayo ng travel natin. So, hindi na natin kailangan mag-register ulit. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions about this one, you can always comment on our comment section and itatry natin na sagutin yan. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, Pinay Pan. And thank you so much and have a great day!